Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off ad blocker on Opera GX. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to turn off the ad blocker in your Opera GX, simply open the settings menu. You can get the access to your setting menu once you open your Opera GX web browser. So once you have opened this web browser, the settings menu is basically on the top right hand side of the corner. So simply navigate your cursor to there, and once you find it, you need to simply tap it open. Once you tap it open, a side menu bar will open on your screen. So in the side menu bar, all you gotta do is simply scroll down below, and in the privacy and security section you can find block ads. So now as you want to turn off ad blocker on Opera GX, all you gotta do is simply turn the toggle to the left hand side. If you turn it to the right hand side, then the ads will be blocked, and if you want to turn off the block ad, then you can simply turn the toggle to the left hand side. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.